itong channel ko. So, yung isa kasi na naubusan. Gumawa na naman ako ng isa. Ayun guys, naubusan kasi. So, kaya mo naubusan dahil 15 minutes nalagay ko. Lagyan ko pa nga ito dahil namutas. You're jealous of my mansion, of the view that's sticking up. Everything darling, na 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 na. Guys, pag magti-tiktok kayo, subscribe kayo sa akin guys. Dahil, kakastart ko. Everything darling. Everything darling. Honey, honey, I get back and sorry. Pangalan ko nga is Jaslyn Abe. So, alam nyo na ginawa lang ni mama tong account. Ang pangalan ng mama ko ay Cecily Flores. And yung may M siya. Cecily M. Yan guys. Praise the Lord of my soul, oh my soul, to worship the holy day. Every oh my soul, to worship the holy day. My